eBay specials, delivery from DPD. Right, let's see what's in there. I know what's in there. I expect you do, because the name of the title. Let's open it up. First thing I'll tell you about this is it's heavy. Well, 15 kilos it says on there. So it's a bit heavier than the normal seat base that's on there. Quick look. See what's in here. There we go. Special motor caravans. Hello. Right, is he? Oh, dog's coming to have a look. What are you doing? What is it? Oh, it's pretty solid. Right, let's get these keys off and open it up. And we'll have a look. What else does it come with? Cut the bolts, secure it down. Right, so I've got the keys off. The door comes off nice and easy. So you can put that aside. Gives you a bit more clearance to put stuff in. Don't know whether you'd get a laptop in there. Maybe, but it's still big enough, plenty of room under there to put all your valuables in when you're away. No one's getting into that in a hurry, I'm telling you. It's solid. It's, I don't know, a couple of mil plate. Yeah, it's a good few mil. Probably three mil. Solid welds on there. Seems pretty secure, pretty solid. That rattle will bake my head. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to get some sticky foam and just put some foam around the edge just to stop that rattle. Right, let's go get this fitted. Right, so what you're going to need to remove the seat, we'll remove the seat first and then we'll take the base off. As you can see, we've got some Allen key heads, bolts to take off. There's two here at the back, and then we'll slide the seat back and get the other two at the front. So you need a 5mm Allen key, and then the base, these bolts in here, they are 15s, so we take them off. But before you do any of this, make sure these are the bolts that come in the pack. They don't come with washers. I did notice that they're a little bit loose, so I've got myself plenty of washers. Make sure you got them first, and then to fit it you're going to need a 13mm spanner and a 6mm Allen. Right, let's get on it. So there you go, that's all in now. $15mm nuts, they're nice and tight. Let's get the seat fitted. So we got our bolt, Allen key bolt, a washer and a locking nut. So we drop the bolt in through the top, get in the hole, washer underneath, then the nut. Right, so I've got it all secured in. You can see the bolts there, the washer underneath. I've also put in, well, this is only a temporary because I haven't been to the DIY store yet. But just around here you can see I've put some double-sided sticky tape. I haven't taken the sticky side off for this, but I mean that's only like a mil thick, and that's enough to stop it rattling. So that seems to do the job. You can see it's all bolted in. So because this is driver's side, I'm going to have to test it to see if it the seat swivels properly. But yeah, you can, no more rattles. Right, let's give it a test. Handbrake off. Sweet.